Okay guys, this is going to be roast beef. So I'm going to cook this in tin foil parcel because it's going to take a while. I'm using multiple layers of tin foil, using 4 layers. So although the beef will produce enough fat to lubricate it and stop it from sticking to the tin foil, just to be 100% sure, I'm going to put a little bit of vegetable oil on it, and then I'm going to seal that up into a proper parcel. That's a big chunk of beef. Right. Just put that on my fire, which I've sorted out already. I've made like a half moon shape in here. I'm just going to put that in the centre, and then I'm going to build my fire up around it. So the multiple layers of tin foil are going to bake and roast it. And then once the beef's closer to being cooked, I'll come back with my vegetables. Keep on turning it. I've turned it like 3 times already. Just going to leave that fire to burn right down now. Okay guys, so for my vegetables for my roast beef, I have got courgette, cherry tomatoes, red onions, red and yellow peppers. I've mixed that with olive oil and just mixed it all up. And same with the beef, I'm just going to tin foil roast these. I'm just going to steal like a cheap throwaway tray. You can use this tray again, you see, maybe 3 or 4 times before it gets chucked away. And that'll just go on my fire like that. Give me my jack of potatoes. I'm just going to build the fire up again. Oh yeah, that's a break and rock. You know, right off there. Make sure your stones are dry. Okay, so my beef is done. My veg is going on now. My jack of potatoes are almost done. Sweet. There we go guys. Beef, jack of potato and roast vegetables.